Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long break. My last video was in October 2019, and I basically said that I was going to do one of two things, and that is either gain some trading stats over the next 3 to 6 months, or just quit trading altogether. And I'm happy to report that I'm still trading, and I have stats to finally show you, and they've been consistent over the last 5 months since my last video. So I'm back here on my channel, and I plan to make some regular updates, and now I finally have something to back up the statements that I'm saying on my channel, the advice I'm giving, all that kind of stuff. And so I think this will be a good rebirth of my channel, and I'm hoping to also start doing a little bit more editing with my videos, so they're just a little bit more high quality. So let's get down to the business here and what's been going on over the last 5 months. All right, here we go. All right, so here's the account that I've been working on over the last 5 months since the last video that I posted on my YouTube channel. You can see that it's not a lot of profit at 5.55%, and it's running, the strategy is my RMI Expert Advisor version 7, and it's being run on a 50 to 1 leverage account. So this is really low risk. The account size is 10,000. And you can see that the results are really consistent, profit almost every single week. The profit's not crazy at 5.55%, but it's because of that low leverage. So you can see that last month we had a profit of 0.23%. Right now we have a 0.09, and November was 2.99%, and I'll talk about why that was a little bit more. And the reason why it was is because I was mistakenly started running this account at 10 times the risk. I forgot that this was a 50 to 1 leverage account, which was my mistake, and did eventually change it on December 6th. Though I was running this strategy at 10 times the risk, a really good and easy way to blow all the funds in this account. So not a wise idea to over risk the account using this strategy. All right, so standard risk setting. So this is with a 500 to 1 leverage account. So this is for those that are wanting a little bit more profit. And by the way, you can download this Expert Advisor, the RMI EA version 7, for free on my website right now. All right, so go ahead over there and you can see the website link in the description below this video. So far this month, we've had 4.8% profit, and this has been running since January 7th of this year. So this account has been running not as long as the one that you see here from October, but it's because I decided to run a standard risk setting on a 500 to 1 leverage account to show people basically the maximum that this EA is capable of month to month. So you can see that right now the drawdown is fairly low at 12%, and the profit is really quite nice, straight up profit almost every single week, but although a bit on the lower side at 4%. All right, so I've also been up to building a website, which I did show you guys a little bit of back on my last video. And if you head over to the website, you'll see that it's called the bestfreeforexea.com, and you'll see that I am showing two different expert advisors. So it's the RMI EA version 7, which you see here and also here, and the RMI EA Ultimate version. Now, the Ultimate version is a paid version of the Expert Advisor, and it makes 10 to 15% per month. And it scalps the market so you can see trades going in and out of the day every single day. And it will take 10 to maybe 20 trades every day during the trading week. So basically, the Ultimate version is the RMI version 7 on steroids. So it's really pushing the limits of this Expert Advisor. And so for those that really like and enjoy the profits that they're getting with the RMI EA version 7, I would suggest you check out and try the RMI EA Ultimate version, because it basically pushes the limits of the original RMI and really pushes that profit. So you can expect higher profit every single month using it. All right, so check out my website, give it a rundown. There's a lot of good information there. But the biggest thing that I want to talk to you guys about is FTMO. Now, FTMO is a proprietary firm or an agency or a company, whatever you call it. And this company has been around for quite a while, and I've done a few reviews on my channel for proprietary firms, and haven't really reviewed this one, and have been asked by my followers to review FTMO.
And this is what my channel is going to be pretty much all about moving forward, is me doing an evaluation for FTMO. So looking over that, you can see that there are multiple stages of becoming a potential trader for FTMO. And if you don't know much about proprietary firms, they're pretty cool. They allow, if you can show that you're a good trader, you can trade their money instead of your money, and you keep a good majority of the profits. So, for example, I can try the evaluation for a $100,000 account, and it will take me overall about 3 months, give or take, to finish the evaluation. But if I'm able to prove myself, if I'm able to pass the evaluation, could trade a $100,000 account and potentially more and keep 70% of the profit that's made on that account. So really cool idea, and I really like their limits and their rules. Most proprietary firms have very strict rules, and it makes it really difficult for traders to actually succeed. But I feel like these guys actually want you to succeed. There are still some shaky areas, but I'll mention to you those during the course of this video and future videos as well. So the maximum daily loss is 5%. So right on a $100,000 account, it would be 5,000. So maximum daily loss means if I hit the 5% limit, meaning that means all the trades will close out and I'll have to start again the next day. The maximum loss is 10,000, so that is 10% of the account. So that's the maximum I can lose. And if I lose 10%, then I fail the evaluation, and my fee of 540, well, that's I think euros, uh, so it's going to be in US dollars. This is going to be more, slightly more, but that will be gone forever. So that's really unfortunate. If I don't hit the 10% profit, which is the profit target of 10,000 that you see here, then I potentially can take the valuation again for free, which is pretty cool. So I'll go more over those rules later on. But I thought this would be a really cool thing to show my channel, to see if Ryan can actually make or do an evaluation, whether it's failing it or succeeding in it. And if I fail in it, that's okay, because I may just try it again or tweak my strategy to work towards getting to this goal. But I feel like the proprietary firms are what a lot of people are looking for right now, and there's not a lot of traders talking about them on their channels. They're always trying to make it with their own capital, um, or doing something else, or trading $50 or something like that and trying to grow it into a million. All that stuff is so unrealistic, and so I thought that this would be a little different, and hopefully you guys find it interesting and you'll follow along over the next 1 to 3 months to see how things go with FTMO, and maybe I'll get lucky, right? So I'll be using the RMI Expert Advisor, and I'll be using the ultimate version. So the ultimate version that you can check out on my website that profits 10 to 15% per month, and it trades every single day. And I'll be posting that tracked account. And this is actually the RMI EA Ultimate that I'm tracking right now for individuals to follow. But this isn't the FTMO account yet. I will be starting that next week, and we'll give you some updates on how that's going, and you can follow along with the results. All right, so I will be using this Expert Advisor, and this is the ultimate version of the RMI Expert Advisor. And you can see that it's straight profit every day, every week, every month. And this is just on one pair. This is the Euro US dollar, and I'm running it all the way back to 2010, and it's currently in 2015. So this is a very solid Expert Advisor, and the ultimate version really pushes the limits of this Expert Advisor to really profit and potentially give me a successful evaluation at FTMO. All right, so that's pretty much it for this video, and I hope that everybody enjoyed it, and I'll see you next week, either on Monday or even Friday, for an update on how things are going, and hopefully you can follow along and learn a little bit as well, and hopefully I learn as well from your comments. So let me know what you think. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you on the next one.